If you want to see how I jazz this up from plain to glam, keep watching. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I do a lot of DIY home videos because I'm preparing to move back into my own place. You know, when you become a disabled senior citizen and you try to find something to do that keeps your mind focused and keep your mind going. And when you find something, it's wonderful. Now today I'm doing something just a little bit simple. You know how sometimes you go in the store and you see a piece. Saw this at Family Dollar. It was $9. And it has a little nick on here, right there. And I didn't even see the nick before I decided I was going to glam this up a bit. So I'm glad I said I was going to glam it up a bit to hide that little nick. So what I'm going to do is that, you know, it has two sections here. I'm going to leave this one plain, and I'm going to glam this up with a little glitter and glass glitter and some wet and scatter. So I'm just making it a little bit better. I'm going to get started here, guys. So I'm using a little Mod Podge. Give me just a second, guys. I'm going to lay some paper towels up under this so it can kind of be easier for me to gather any loose glitter. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera. Let it dry. Then we'll come back and do the reveal. This was such a quick and easy DIY, and here are the finished results. I think it turned out beautiful. I'll just be glad when I'm able to show you all of these DIYs that I've done on my channel in my home. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to come back. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I love doing DIYs. It helps me to stay calm. It helps me not to be lonely. And I'm just enjoying all of these DIYs. So thank you all for watching and be blessed.